Several years ago, I acquired a Proctor ANTIC. It was built pretty well, but I really didn't like the look of the covering and the way it was done. So I decided to rebuild it. I stripped all of the covering off the plane, made sure that any little structural issues were addressed. I refinished all the wood, even added some new veneer in certain places, stained it to a color that I liked, and recovered the whole plane. Once it was complete, I promptly broke it. A box fell on it while I was transporting it back from a club meeting. So I had to rebuild that, but now I find myself with the plane completely finished. One last thing to do is set the dihedral. And this gave me a good opportunity to test a little gadget that I designed and built, and I call it a MeasureMate. And it's a neat little device that's battery powered and has got an accelerometer or a set of accelerometers inside of it. And depending on the mode that you set it up for, it will give you the pitch, roll, and yaw of the device in relationship to some reference. So this was a perfect chance to try out this device. It's very simple to use. The first thing you do is you turn it on, and you either let it calibrate itself or you can initiate the calibration. You put it on your reference surface, as you can see here, which is the back of the airplane, and let it set to 0. Once it's set to 0, then you move it to the area that you want to test, and as you can see here, I placed a ruler on the wing so that it takes out all of the undulations of the ribbing, and it gives me the dihedral in degrees. In this case, it's supposed to be 3 degrees, and it's spot on, so I'm good to go. Anyway, the device worked out really well. I use it to set throws and other angular sorts of things in model airplanes, and it worked out great. Thanks for watching.